As an experienced manufacturer of the ATA, Flyingvoice always keeps at the pace of innovation on ATA gateway and VoIP terminals. We hope to bring these proven devices to the POS replacement solution to make this tricky task easier for everybody. With a focus on the POS replacement, we see the strong demand for flexible and compact solution that offers trustworthy functionality. A product that can empower the legacy POS lines with digital upgrades in a breeze. If you are expecting a compact solution with rich functionality for elevator phone, point of sales, vending machine or other scenarios with requirements for 1 or 2 lines, here's what you're looking for. The LM152, compact but powerful as usual. This compact size device integrates the function of LTE router, dual-port analog telephone adapter, dual Gigabit RJ45 switch, and battery backup to guarantee uninterrupted operation. The LM152 covers all the mainstream carriers in the United States. You can flexibly choose different data plans and utilizing its dual SIM cards to support your own POS replacement solution. The wide frequency band coverage allows you to multiplex these devices in different areas. VoLTE is a more simple way to deal with the POS, but its lack of functionality, like the compatibility for fax and modem. VoIP is providing way more function but require a PBX to work. Now, you don't need to consider which to implement, because the LM152 will provide both of them. The 2 RJ11 ports on the LM152 support VoLTE and VoIP. From a simple elevator phone to a comprehensive alarm security system, this compact device could easily adapt to your solution and provide reliability just like what you expect from the PSTN. The LM152 provides a Gigabit WAN port. You can connect it to your broadband connection and expect an automatic failover between the WAN connection and the LTE connection. This will be a crucial function to increase the robustness to your system. Besides, the WAN port also supports a PoE in, making the LM152 suitable for solution that includes a PoE switch. The LM152 also integrates a battery to provide 24-hour redundancy when in the power outage. You won't need a dedicated, expensive backup power anymore. High availability and cost-effective device can truly help you to seize the intuitive in a challenging digital transition period. That's why we built it, the LM152. If you want to know more details about this product and the Flyingvoice all-in-one POS replacement solution, please contact us or visit our website. Thank you for watching this video.